You can't do. You see, talk is cheap when you are in opposition, but when the power is being given to you, you can't do anything. No more nsem.
Onu mo no nya hwe. Nipa bone fo kwasiafo. Mo be do koko no nsem ya besi cheche. Nsem besi cheche apa. Koko mu koko aguafo mo. Mo ye nipa bone fo papa. Me se mo be do mo nsem si cheche. Mo nsem e besi cheche. Mo se mo ye nipa bone fo. Ewure ni mo ana mo be da mo. Me se koko mo be bo. Mo nya bampo mahama me se mo be bo mo nya hwimfiri mu. Mo be dua koko no so enso da. Enso aba. Mo ye nipa bone fo. Na do ba power. Koko na ye 456 Ghana cedis. Ye free power 3001 something. 120 to 150. Mama mahama beka kire mo see. Obe mama 6,000 7,000. Mo koto aba de amamo. Kwasiafo mo mana akaka koko ase no. Na koko ase scholarship munya bi obi ti akro ni bebi edo koko nsu no koko scholarship momma na mom asese mo dimi jam mo school fees na do ba power obema koko scholarship be effective emma doctor ka say ka koko mo ye koko mo papa no koko ma mo koko no busu yo koko no mo be ko university free mo se mo mpe Bahama mama 7,000 kudi, mama 6,000 kudi ntino. Ba ko to abama no. And now see dey. And not 128 Ghana cedis na be come. Abeka esa ni school na man fa ni serious nti mo fo se mahama watumu kese. Mo koye percentage na mo hwe. And nese mo ni pa bonesem wickedness. Ene me say nyene mo behuni. Enye mo behuni. NPP a kire mo odo. Ena modi boni etua yeka modi ebufu akoto aba obi mo bufu nti Ghana fo asofufu abedadam akeka nsem ni eni ho entro no krese ene ntro adadam ena afeda mo kem ene mesi mo mano exams no ombetwiro mutrum no ombetwiro exams no awofo bia wiri pam boni fo mamfa mo mane hye dem no mutwiro exams no mo betwiro kwam mo mane befa so atwiro exams no pam boni sem Mukoko for mo because sister mbenya me see mahama 2028 ni now or the 50 next year put the 20 Ghana na beto so mamo musimu ya mampofo musimu koko na mbedua na fie e mada ba ko twa ayi sa koko hono sa nipa bonefo amampofo edi mubu ma ye koye ni mama yakoyechi ye koye ni mama yakoyechi eni bre mafunti na mo pedi ne ya anti no mo nwe mo daachi enwure mo na mo beka koko na se wana mo beka koko na se e wana mo beka na ndisi fo abetwa ntora kire mo da mo ntade mo kan wate mo ene mo ne ndisi fo de yamo mo ne ndisi fo de yamo mo bodam na do ba chocolate kwa bone mo ndi bida mo do koko mfie pete pepe chocolate kwa na mo ndi bida milo kwa na mo de kurase mo ndi bida na do adawroma ye chiche koko ye chiche milo e chiche chocolate mamo na mu wie nso mo ndo baye no ya sade bode esisi mamo ye twa koko na katisi mu a ye twa gu a abusu bibia na do asama 2,500 Ghana cedis asa dia pay wo so per acre sorry per plot enye per acre mpo per plot ene yes ene NPP ase denie ene NPP ase denie mesi mo koko funu mesi eso mo yehu esro mo yehu mo be do koko acres 100 mo beti 1 acre pe mo beti 1 acre pe ti mo dinfo emmoa munko skwa mo se munko mo ne nditi for ye mo e be ka kire mo se ye beji nwusie tax so se den e mo magye atum kwase afo se munko skwa mo se munko eno mo ne nditi for ye mo 128 Ghana cedis o ka kire mo so beji 7,000 common sense e kire mo se nipa na e wo 400 ahi no be fa de ko 3,000 we no onu mo no onya hwe nipa bone fo kwase afo mo be do koko no mo se ya besi cheche munsem besi checha papa mo yire no beje jam mo yire no nkofo bi di mo yire beje mo yire fi munsem so mo jimi twamoa
meti se cocoa price no what me say they say omode ko 6,000 ti cocoa farmers ani age. You say the reason why ane ye ka kire Ghanaians say they should vote wisely. And a cocoa in case a cocoa yatum cost 7,000, 6,000. Now look at how see almost to cocoa ma or what to more 128 cedis and new 200 cedis. One was a Ghana yatana what on your color TV. I got black and white. Now they can't even talk again because they only omokasa. The ombe can say yate dollars so yate dollars so yate dollars so yate dollars so now and reflect what and reflect what near my equator marketing. What is the essence of that dollar now? Abba from one who got cocoa for one who send a who city and then me pay me for penny my way my friend now on fat. Me penny pa said you see here campaign GT shirt. A Gina man DC me penny my name we say cocoa near to my call. Yatum 28 cities and new 1.5 from Ponica, I say 1.5. One who Ghana, one who said the city at the power of fear and penny assessed. Said there be a pain for Cassa before him so very weird at Tiruan could chassis man and basso. On him so very into debut or man and muscle. One who said the nay city Miss Nessia Yamebua Nessia near Tincoma. I feel cranable by ye honey be hunicassia momo tigana no be. COVID aba nipa mama so ba be kraba jibe be wo be sika be ye ni be wu na akufo ado de bi hwe measures apapa we di two kwan mu opon ni nyina mo mansan ko free SHS enra me ne NDC ni communicator ba ko kasa o ka chem se akufo ado ba ye no wa me ye hwe na free SHS kra no na busuafo bie no benefit and me say okay I believe I understand enti no mama one policy ba ko NDC ba ya etimi yeah the whole Ghanaians every household they benefit ya when timi amami ejina phone no so sa e kate call no because they don't have any good policy that will benefit the whole Ghanaians. They only do stomach politics. They think about their stomach. They don't think about the individuals, the people who voted for them. They don't think about only propaganda ne your mode. And Ghana has one thing of mahuni say we believe in propaganda, we believe in lies than the truth. Say you believe in lies and the truth and come on na ho e man DC for me nkuko bu nketenkete 24-hour economy emfa meda da omo e man ne omo ma meje adwane ntena so e ye de omo pe ene ugina social media so kra wo kasa kra you fear because you are at the end of the talk no unim say obi beba be man warning a obi beba be ye aba be threat life. You don't have freedom to talk anymore. All because NDC they are in power or more buying a also. But one thing they should not forget is a power does not last forever. If Papa J to me betna so may he so rest in peace or betna so almost 21 years. Now when to me and so forever. And now he was dethroned. It means 4 years is not 4,000 years. And surely one thing I mean mechanism MPP they should work on unity. Unity ne betimi amaya overcome yet me win 2028 election God willing. Unity ne yet ade ameme me slow right now. NDC for they came with lines and they are now lines na Sam George honorable Sam George now opposition kasa and we used to stop Galamsey and we do that we do this data is very high there ben now the ball is in your court. What are you doing? You can't do. You see, talk is cheap when you are in opposition, but when the power is being given to you, you can't do anything. No more sem any tramin. Tiko for the farmers and my friend my uncle said he's not picking up a person who my business say no almost more to cocoa more fa. Me here county blame na minti na no sense say dear or no judging and not buying now yes I feel a baby to cocoa. Just look at what happened. Now you can't talk cocoa for no more hono. Next time say who say this in your bar ube dwana kwa kofa yendi. Not what the Boko issue say a political way. This issue is not about political way. Somebody campaign agent say NDC ba power Boko case. Boko is in peace. Now NDC is in power. Now Boko is also they are killing innocent people day in out. They are dying. This issue is not issue. Campaign platforms politics. You will find ways and means to solve this issue. Now people are dying, innocent people day in out, they are dying for their and what is happening? ene Akufo-Addo on pe baabi no na no nje na ho we dey Ghana we all go see some say papa oboni oye nyina ye timbinti we are hoping say nyambo a next 2028 no MPP besin aba bio because NDC dey udi omo achia ntro ne na da nkwa no be ye me today this evening I just came to talk small, so I will leave you guys to